Hi everybody! In this video we're going to see how to connect our data into Tableau. So Tableau has a capability of reading different file formats, and we're going to work with Microsoft Excel. So in order to open your previously downloaded data set, I suggest you to save it as an Excel sheet so that you will be able to add. And what I did is to include my last vegetable consumption as a column to my existing obesity state rates. So in order, therefore, simply, I don't have to deal with the joins and anything. It's a basic analysis. So I just copy the information here, and so that you will have a single data set here. And you can now, once you drag add your Excel sheet, you're able to start your sheet. And here the attributes that you have will be visible and latitude. Although I don't have any latitude and longitude information, as you can see, I cleaned them. But Tableau has the capability of generating them, and now I'm going to use them to visualize my data set on a map. And obviously you're not seeing anything because I haven't used any of the information to color, but now if I just drag the state and drop on the color, then it will color the state's unique symbols, and or you can give them as a single attribute as the name, so that I can use this information as my attributes labels. So let's like this slowly. In order to pan your map, you have to use the symbol, and so that you will be able to use it. We talked about the threshold values in the previous video, and so, but obviously in your data set we don't have anything. So for Tableau to know that values, we need to create a calculate field, and this will help us to write if-else statement as we did in Excel, and it will help us to classify our data into different values. So let's do this first for less vegetable field, and I'll just quickly remind myself the values here. So if the vegetable table, if you double click, it will just take it as less than 19.5, then quotation marks is low, and I'm sorry that it's really messing up I don't know if it's due to the version, but let's do this in a clear way so that you can follow. Okay, let me just type it here. So if this is for the second one, but let's vegetable underscore data, it's this field is less than 19, then it will be low. Else if the vegetable data is less than or equal to 21.5, then it's going to be medium, or if it's greater than 21.5, then it's going to be high. And again, remember 0 example. If I'm missing something here, it's going to print it as an error, and you have to end your statements in Tableau. So I'm just copying this and then pasting here. I was suspecting that it's going to do this. So let's, okay, vegetable, double click, and yep. Although it's not readable clearly, it's We'll do to my second screen. Okay, here it seems fine, and I'm just pressing OK, and I have my less vegetable field. And we're going to do the same for the obesity rate. And I will simply just copy and paste this time from Tableau. Oops. Edit. Copy and paste, probably. Yep. All right. So I have 2 more variables, but I still need 1 more. I know where is the less vegetable values are ranging or obesity rate is changing, but I will also need how these variables are in the same field, and I will do this in a excuse me, in a single cell here, and this will help me to create my legend. Okay, it's less vegetable plus the there's an underscore dash. I'm sorry, and an obesity rates. Okay, so I have all of my necessary fields, and okay, now I'm ready to map. So let's see how these values are changing. Okay, let's do this. Excuse